told yesterday on Facebook that I disassembled my camera. This is a Canon SX260HS model, and I had a bit of a lens problem and the lens didn't go in. So what I've done here, I've totally disassembled it, and what I'm gonna do now, this is gonna be magic. This is gonna be, I'm gonna be putting it back together, and the eyes closed, or basically under cover. So now I'm just doing it right here. Just a bit tricky because I just sort of had to practice this a few times yesterday. Screwdriver, a couple of screws on there, just like that, just like. Getting closer, just like, here we go. That's in one place, Canon SX260HS, and let's push the button. Oh, it even works! Bloody awesome, eh? What do you reckon, mate?